Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Marilyn, and today I'm going to try to create an eye look with this Profusion Wanderlust eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. It has so many pretty colors, so I'm super excited to play with these today. I don't know what I want to create today, but we'll see. Maybe I'll get some pinks and purples and greens. So today I'm going to prime my eyes with this NYX White Pearl eyeshadow base. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to apply this off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I already primed my eyes. I think this primer does have glitter because my eyelids look glittery. I don't know. I'm going to start off with the shade Go Girl, this pink one right here. And I'm going to use the brush that came in the eyeshadow palette, this Profusion fluffy type of brush. And like I've said before, I'm not a professional, I'm just learning, so yeah. And I'm going to apply it all over my crease. Okay, I think I'm going to wet my brush to get a more intense color. Okay, now with a big blending brush, this one's from Alamar, I'm going to blend out the edges with no product, just blending it out. Going back with more pink. I kind of want to put it under, but I don't know if it's gonna look good. I think I look like a raccoon. Going to do the same thing on the other eye.
I don't know how they put eyeshadow under without poking their eyeballs. Trying to make my baggage area look prettier.
Now with a big blending brush with no product, I'm just gonna blend out the edges. My face isn't greasy. I actually put highlight. Now with this angle brush by Luxing, I'm going to apply some purple. First, I'm gonna go in with a retro, and I'm just gonna apply it right here just to make it darker. Okay, now with this brush, I don't know what it's called, it's like cut weird. I'm just gonna try to blend in these shades here with no extra product. Okay, I can't tell if they look the same or not. Okay, now with this shade Stormy, this green one right here, I'm going to put it almost all over my crease. I mean, all over my eyelid. I'm going to go in with this Echo Tools brush. If it doesn't look good, well, at least I tried, right? Ooh, so pretty. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with a skinnier brush. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with this Alamar flat brush to get more of a precise line. I'm going to wet my brush. going back with this Echo Tools. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Now I'm going to go into the shade Splash, this one right here, and put it just like right here, just a little bit. And I'm gonna use the same brush, this Echo Tools brush, and I'm just gonna flip it. I'm just gonna go in with this angled brush with a purple with no product. Just try to blend these in here. This is what I got so far. I really like it. I mean, I look weird without eyeliner and mascara, but I feel like it's looking pretty good. I feel like it looks like a mermaid. Okay, so I'm going to apply eyeliner and mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, I am back. I already applied eyeliner and mascara. Now I'm going to add something to my inner corner. I'm not sure if I should go into the shade Frosting or Gravity. One of these two up here. Let me swatch it first, make sure. Okay, so here is Frosting and Gravity. So they're both pretty, but I think I'm gonna go into the shade Gravity, which is the shimmery pink. I think I'm gonna mix it with the Frosting, the shimmery green with the pink. Oh, that's better. I don't know if you guys, yeah, you can see it. It's so pretty. So I really like this. It kind of gives me like a mermaid vibe. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? I feel like this eye is a little bit darker, like the purple. And I love that this eyeshadow doesn't have fallout on my face. It does have fallout on the palette, but not on my face, so that's really good. I don't know. I feel like I didn't really blend out over here. Ignore my eyebrows. I really need to get them done. But yeah, this is the final look.
I really like it. It's so pretty, like, I don't know, it just reminds me of a mermaid or something like that.
So I really love this palette. It's so freaking pretty. I'm so happy that I got it. I can't wait to use all of the shades and see what else I could create with these. Let me know in the comments below if you guys also have this palette and if you guys like my look. So yeah, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.